Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, we have a pipe that has an elbow on it. So it's straight here, and then there's an elbow and another little straight section here. And it's kind of like wedged between a couple walls, as you can see in the book. And then there's an external load acting on it here. That's at an angle of 30 degrees from the negative y-axis. And so we have a load here from the wall. All of these internal loads or reaction forces are from the walls that the pipe is of the wall that the pipe is extending through. So let's see here. We have, and then we know that this wall is inclined at 30 degrees or 30 degrees from the vertical here. So we know the direction of this, and then at this point it is basically acting at the corner of the wall. So we're going to assume that it is free to slide in this direction. Likewise, we're assuming that it's free to slide here too. And then here it's acting at the corner, so again we're going to assume that it's normal to the pipe and that it's free to slide in the horizontal direction here. So F1 has a magnitude of F1 and a direction given by this unit vector, and we'll kind of call that the origin. F2 is in the negative vertical direction, and it is a distance of 0.15 meters to the left of the origin and 0.26 meters down from the origin. F3 is this load, and it is in the positive, well, we're going to call it, say it's in the positive vertical direction. It may wind up being a negative sign. And its position is given by this vector. And then F4 has a magnitude of F4 and is in this direction. And it has a position vector, again, 0.26 meters down from the origin and now 1.15 meters to the left. So if we sum forces and sum moments on this structure, we'll get three equations. And we have our three unknowns right here. And it turns out, if we plug in the numbers we're given, that the F1 here is 173 newtons, F2 is 69.2 newtons, and F3 is 416 newtons. So you actually have and with this was the magnitude of this guy was only 300 newtons. So you actually have a pretty large load here. And in fact, you kind of have an amplified load, and you would probably be a little concerned about the pipe bending or at least collapsing at that point, if that's what you were concerned about. Again, I don't know how the thickness of this pipe or anything, but again, this would be the reason you'd be worried about.